Hi, my name is Isabel Kennedy. I'm a student at the University of Texas Cizik School of Nursing in the Pacesetter BSN program, and I chose Cizik because of its wonderful location here in the Texas Medical Center. I decided to pursue a degree in nursing after previously studying social work and being introduced to all that can be done within the mother and baby population, specifically with labor and delivery. And during my time at Cizik, I've been able to join the OB capstone program and get to spend more time on the floor with these moms and babies, and gotten wonderful clinical experiences that are moments that I will carry with me through my career as a nurse. So I'm very grateful for all that I have had here at Cizik, and I look forward to see what's in store in the future.